If you are consistently making videos, teaching online, or turning live streams into content, you already know that recording is actually the easy part. The real headache is everything that happens after you hit stop on that recording. Most screen recorders are either clunky, missing crucial editing tools, or simply built for people who don't have to post daily. I used to juggle 3 or 4 different apps just to get one tutorial polished and ready for the internet. Between recording, chopping, auto-captioning, and scheduling, it was chaotic and honestly just a massive drain on my time. I do not like wasting time, and I am pretty sure that you do not either. Sure, there are tools that claim to be all-in-one, but many leave you with a long raw file and zero ideas on how to make it engaging. That is exactly where Vizard comes into the picture. It does not replace your screen recorder, but it turns everything you have already made into high-performing, ready-to-post clips without you babysitting it. Let me walk you through why I switched and how it completely changed my content workflow. I used to be driven crazy by clunky teleprompters, basic audio filters, and manually animating cursor highlights frame by frame. Then there is the issue of subtitling, where most tools give you messy, inaccurate text that takes forever to clean up. And the worst part was turning one long tutorial into a dozen short clips to feed TikTok Reels and Shorts every single week. Most apps simply cannot do that automatically without costing you an absolute fortune. Vizard changes the game by automatically finding the good stuff in your long videos, captioning it neatly, and even queuing it to post. If you make tutorials, teach online, or host long-form live streams, this is a massive productivity hack. First, the auto-editing feature is a lifesaver. Instead of scrubbing through an hour-long video, the AI finds interesting moments, trims them, and even suggests hook points. It cuts down hours of tedious manual labor into just a few minutes of work. You get multiple variations of the same moment, which is perfect for testing which thumbnail or caption grabs more attention. Then there is the auto-schedule feature, which solved my biggest headache. You just set your posting cadence, and Vizard handles the rest without you having to manually upload to every platform. The content calendar is another highlight, where everything lives in one central place. You can preview clips, rearrange your posting times, and edit captions like a pro. It feels like having a personal assistant who actually understands content strategy. Now, let's talk about the practical side of using it. I export my long screen recording as a standard MP4 and just drag and drop it right into Vizard. It handles almost any format, so you never have to waste time worrying about conversions. Next, the AI scans for engagement patterns like big topic shifts or visual cues to create those viral shorts. You can preview a whole batch of clips in about 10 seconds. I usually keep the AI pics as they are, but occasionally I will quickly adjust the crop or tweak a caption. This process is significantly faster than building every single clip from scratch. The subtitles are surprisingly accurate, and you can edit them in-line if you ever need a quick fix. I also love the audio filters that remove background hum and boost voice clarity without sounding like a robot. You can even toss in your own intro, outro, or watermark to keep everything consistent with your brand. Finally, the scheduling tool lets you set it and forget it, ensuring your audience gets a steady stream of content. People always ask how this stacks up against those all-in-one screen recording programs. Those apps are great for recording, but their strength stops at the file creation stage. They do not really focus on the distribution, which is the part that actually gets you the views. With Vizard, the AI has already done the heavy lifting of turning your content into multi-platform gold. It is a fundamentally different and more efficient workflow. My biggest tip is to not obsess over perfection in the original recording. Vizard's AI is smart enough to find and polish those gems even if your raw footage feels a little bit rough. Also, using chapter markers in your long videos helps the AI prioritize the most important sections and keep a consistent call to action that you can drop into the template for every clip. Ultimately, if you are tired of juggling 4 different apps, you really need to give this a try. It will not do your recording for you, but it will save your sanity and help your content actually get seen. I switched to this system because I wanted less busy work and way more reach. If you want to stop wasting hours on post-production, click the link in the description to check out Vizard. Try it on one long video and see how many high-performing clips it can pull out for you. If you are serious about growing your audience without doubling your workload, this is absolutely worth a test run. Alright, that is my spiel for today, and I will catch you in the next video with more workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck turning that long-form content into the short-form fire it deserves.